Hello guys, my name is Rajesh and welcome to the third day class of Microsoft Excel tutorial step by step. Today we will be creating a fully functional and beautiful invoice in Microsoft Excel. So now here, just follow the steps as I am doing right now in the video. After completion of design, I will show you how to insert the formula and functions to perform calculations. By the way, you can use your creativity to design as you like. So, just follow me on design as of now. Alright guys, I hope that you didn't sleep. So now our invoice is almost ready here. Here you can see the logo and then the name of the company, the address, the date box, to whom this invoice will be, and the serial number, particulars, quantity, rate, discount, total, and here the grand total, the received amount, the change amount that you will give to customer, and here is the slogan, whatever you like you can change it, and the signature box. Okay, now let's enter some data and see how it works. So let's enter date first. To Mr. Now let's enter the data. 1 coffee maker, quantity 4 pieces, price was 4, and the discount is, let's suppose, 10%. So what will be the total? The formula for total is quantity into rate minus discount equal to quantity multiplied by rate minus 10%, right? What is this? E8 percent of what? Quantity into rate, because quantity into rate is total. So again, quantity multiplied by rate. Press enter. So this is our total. Now for the next one, let's suppose there is no discount, 0%. We will just drag it till here because we can have this much item. Now the grand total will be sum of all these equal to sum. Select all these and press enter. Let's suppose we receive 500 from the customer. So how much we need to return? Equal to received minus total. Press enter. So this is our change. So now our invoice is fully functional. Alright, so this is our invoice, but if you print this, then this 00 will occur there. So let's hide these zeros. How to hide? If we delete this, then the formula will be deleted. It will not work for the next item. So how to hide these without deleting the formula? For this, what we can do is that we need to select all these, go here, custom, you need to write 0 semicolon 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 @ okay, 0 is hidden now. In grand total also sometimes 0 might occur. Like for example, if you will delete all these things, now you can see 0 is here and 0 is here. So we need to solve this issue also. We will select this, control, select this. Now again we will go here, again to custom, and the same formula once again. Now let's do it once again. Banana 12 10. Now you can see total is here and grand total is here. Total and grand total is already calculated. If we write any percentage, then it will deduct from the percentage, right? Let's suppose we receive 200, then change will be 92. Wow, it's working. It's fully functional now. Now our grand total is 153. Let's suppose the customer give us 200, the change will be 47. Now if you want to add currency, then what you can do is that you can select all those things and press here. So it will be dollar. Okay, you can click here also, so it will be dollar. Now what if your currency is different than dollar? Now you need to select all these and go here in currency. Let's check here. Okay, now your currency is in rupees. So now let's save this invoice as a template so that we can use it frequently without any changes. Delete all those data we enter, delete all those data, and delete this received also. Now this is our blank template. but it is fully functional. Okay, so now we will go to File, Save As. Let's save this in desktop. Let's save it as a template. Where is the template? Excel template. Okay, you can see here Excel template. And now let's write invoice. Save. Okay, it is saved as invoice. Now let's see where is our invoice. This one. Double click this. Okay, so this is our invoice. Now if we edit something, okay, now if we want to save this file, this will ask to save as a new file, because this is a template and template cannot be changed. So if you want to save this, you need to save this with different file name. Now our invoice is still the same, there is no changes. So in this way you can create an invoice and save it as a template so that you can use it time and again. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt or any confusion regarding any video or any topic related to Microsoft Excel, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. In return, please like, share and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon so that you will never miss such awesome computer learning tutorials. See you on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.